So, so we're, what is this, a Chevy Sonic?
Yeah.
So Dylan is my GM guy, and the needed repairs wound up being a right engine mount, serpentine belt, front struts, front links, and a right control arm. Some of you guys were actually correct with the control arm. We're going to do an oil change too, and we're going to diagnose the tire monitors. And then we're going to top off the cooling system because these engines are known for a little coolant consumption. Yes? You ever heard of Lady Chatterley? You ever heard of Lady Chatterley?
No.
Google it real quick.
Wow.
Come on, just Google it. Do you know who Lady Chatterley is?
At least you didn't make you text your old coworker.
There was a movie very long
Lady Chatterley's lover, including a proposal of Lady Chatterley's lover.
So there was one where the woman had a talking vagina. Did you see that one in there? Who remembers that?